Remember when we were looking at that phone, the ROG 5 and 5 Ultimate? This was just a real monster of a phone trying to essentially dominate every category. Super phone, monster phone, gaming phone. Yeah. I was pretty impressed, honestly. When you think about a gaming phone, there's a series of specifications that are important to you. You're thinking about cooling. You're thinking about battery life. You're thinking about performance. You're thinking about the display. That's maybe not in that order, but those are the things that matter to you. Well, the display is a no-brainer on this. You're talking about 144 hertz. Just a blazingly fast display. The performance is, of course, there. Flagship level SoC. Look at me with the coffee. That was super early in the morning. I don't remember when that was. It was like 6 a.m. live stream. All the products that we unboxed. Man. We got another one coming up, by the way. Quick teaser. Is that Thursday?
Yeah.
We got another early morning live stream. So I don't know. Maybe there's a giveaway. You should go check that out on Unbox Therapy. Be ready. Anyway, the feature I want to talk about is the battery, because this thing had this mega 6,000 milliamp hour battery in it. And there's a lot of people talk about battery life, even outside of gaming phones, but it's even more important on gaming phones because obviously gaming is sucking up that battery even quicker than a lot of other functions, even beyond video. And so this has a 2 times 3,000 milliamp hour layout. So you have 65 watt fast charging, 2 separate battery cells in there. But CNET recently ran a battery test on it and came up with some pretty amazing figures for battery life. Listen to this. ROG Phone 5, continuous video playback on airplane mode, clocked an average of 20 hours and 15 minutes with the screen locked at 120 hertz. If the screen refresh was set to auto, that's the dynamic mode that would be shifting depending on what's happening on the phone. It averaged 28 hours and 4 minutes.
Wow.
I'm saying it's playing video.
Huh.
The whole time it's playing video.
Yep.
Holy cow. This is it's maybe a not charge everyday phone for somebody like me. That is...
you should use it.
That's really promising right there.
Yeah, give it a shot.
This is the longest time for any phone that's been tested this year by CNET, and the second longest time of any phone in the past few years, which actually that position was held by the LG V60. Shout out LG, RIP. Maybe. RIP, maybe. We'll see. They still have a chance to make the phone call. Remember, we were going to do the consultation.
Yeah.
It's a conference call, myself and Willie do. Hashtag save LG smartphones.
Can you imagine?
That's right. Come on, Will. Remember, you said all has to happen. You just have to buy them all.
Yeah, I'll support the cause.
Buy the entire inventory. You're all set.